Hi, welcome. If you are new here, this channel is for online business and technology tips. In today's videos I'm going to show you how to navigate your computer or performing simple tasks using keyboard shortcuts. So, today I will show you 15 best simple keyboard shortcuts for your computers. Let us start off with the essential shortcuts. Windows key. You will find the Windows key located in the lower left of your keyboard. An easier way of opening the Windows settings is to hold down the Windows key plus the I key. To open your Action Center is to hold down the Windows key plus A. Action Center is where you can see your notifications and get quick access to your settings. To open the File Explorer, hold down the Windows key plus E. To quickly find programs, files and folders on your computer, hold down the Windows key plus S. Then type your search term. There are several ways to take a screenshot or capture any part of your screen. We find the snip and sketch tool built into Windows work well. To use it, hold down the Windows key Shift key and then press S to launch it. The newest versions of Windows include a built-in emoji panel that comes in handy when commenting on a social media site, YouTube, when composing an email or anywhere else that you want to use it. Hold down the Windows key plus period to launch the emoji. Let's suppose that you have multiple windows open and you want to take a quick look at your desktop for a save file, folder or program. Hold down the Windows key plus D. Another cool feature built into the latest versions of Windows is it will convert your speech into text. To do this, hold down the Windows key plus H. Most of you know by now that tapping the Windows key will open the Start menu to bring up the quick links, which is often referred to as the hidden Start menu. Hold down the Windows key plus X. Here you can quickly access the device manager, power options and other useful stuff. Using the Windows key plus any number key will open programs you have pinned to your taskbar. For example, the Microsoft Excel is first in the left, so hold down the Windows key plus 1 to open Microsoft Excel. To print a web page or any other kind of document, holding down the Control key plus P. For those times you need to quickly switch to another open program, hold down Alt key and repeatedly press the Tab key until you find your program and let go. For those times you need to select every file in a folder or all of the text from a document, hold down Ctrl plus A. For closing open program, hold down the Alt key and the F4 function key to close it out. Using the backspace key, as all of you know, will delete one character at a time more efficiently. Holding down Ctrl and tapping the backspace key will delete full words. The next video will be keyboard shortcuts that you can use in your web browser. Thanks for watching. If this video is important for you, give it a thumbs up and share with others. What are your favorite keyboard shortcuts? Let us know about them in the comments. And if you're new to our channel, subscribe and click the notification bell to stay up to date.